Alright, let's talk about 5 online businesses you can start today without a dime to your name. Number 1 is drop shipping. The reason you can start drop shipping without any money is because you get paid when somebody purchases an item. So you take that money that somebody pays you, you pay the, we'll say, cost of the item to Walmart, Amazon, eBay sometimes, Alibaba, AliExpress, wherever you want to go. You'll pay them the cost and you'll pocket the difference. You wait for the item to ship and bam, you're done. You don't have to have any money, and well, you do if you really want to do dropshipping right on eBay, but long story. You don't really need any money to do it. Number 2 is YouTube. YouTube is amazing. The best time to start a YouTube channel is now. The reason is twofold. Because you have all these people who have already had success with YouTube, so you know it works. There's no disputing that. Jesus Christ, fucking clouds. You know it works, and you don't need any money to make it work. All you need is a simple little didgeridoo like this, a phone. A dirty ass phone. That's all you need. You can record yourself. You can record yourself narrating presentations. You can do anything. You can just record yourself going down the road and singing. You can be stupid. The point is, the bar for YouTube is down here. Entry anyway. And you can make a hell of a lot of money if you are thrifty and smart about it. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is wonderful because you don't have to worry about having inventory. You don't have to worry about paying employees. You don't have to worry about any of these terrible overheads that a regular business model has. All you have to do is find the right affiliate product, find the right way to market it, which is to introduce it to the customers and sell it, and then just enjoy the commissions. Now, I will say, I said products. You don't always have to go with just products. You can go with offers. You can do with cost per actions. You can do a lot of things with affiliate marketing. The point is, you don't have to have any money to do that. If you want to spend money, you'll find that your results tend to be a little bit better. Just a smidgen. But you don't have to have any money. You don't have to have any money to start affiliate marketing. Simple as that. Number 4 is advertising for local businesses. I know this is going to sound crazy. Trust me, it is. But if you advertise for local businesses such as, trying to think, if you were to go out, find Johnny's lawn mowing service and say, hey, Johnny, I'll build you a website using this free platform. All you guys have to do is pay me a little bit of money if you like it. That's it. Simple as that. You can also do things like advertising on Craigslist. You can hand out flyers. You can say, okay, well, I'm going to go door to door to 1,000 people and hand out business cards. And you guys will see an increase in your sales. Simple as that. You could also do something like creating YouTube videos to market local businesses, such as dentists, cosmetic surgeons, hell, other marketers. Make those videos, put a telephone number, redirect the telephone number to that client, and bam, for every lead they pay you. Simple as that. Number 5 is content creation. And this is how I got started, unfortunately. Content creation basically involves creating videos, articles, graphics, anything you can think of that a business would need for that business. They pay you based on those creations. and then you enjoy the money that you make from it. Generally, the only thing you need to get started in content creation is the ability to learn. You can make good graphics with free tools like Canva. You can make articles with something as simple as OpenOffice Writer, which is free and open source. And you can make videos by taking your ugly mug, going in front of a camera, and going, "Hey, I'm here. Videos." So the point is, you don't have to have any money to get started making money. You just have to have this, and that's it. You gotta have a brain. So most people don't want to use, and what most people seemingly refuse to say they even have. Who would have thought? Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give it a like, give it a comment, let me know what you're thinking. And if you're interested in any number of opportunities that will allow you to make money online, visit my website at retail2riches.club, listed below somewhere, or up there, I don't know. And sign up for my email list. I'm going to be giving free content away to my subscribers, and only my subscribers, that I don't publish on this YouTube channel. And you are going to love it. Your wallet's going to love it. You're going to love it. And it might change how you do business online. Thank you.